I blink my pain in dashes. You don't read it, I scream in sighs. You scroll past it, my fingers type. My lips stay closed. I've been speaking in Morse code.
I love you. Open your eyes.
You used to hear me before the static grew, before the translations got cruel, before love was a language you no longer knew. I tap my side when I sleep just to feel like I'm reaching, like maybe through the sheets the message might seep.
Forgotten.
I'm better. Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? Why don't you answer? I sent a prayer last night. It bounced off your name, came back empty. Like every game, like every call that never rang. Like every I'm fine, I never meant it. This is not okay. I tried to spell you in sound, but you've gone quiet like oceans do. Before they drown, a single light blinks on my phone screen.
Is that you?
No, it's just an app update, so I